It's 2021 and we're trying to level up, not just with our budgeting and finances, but also with our health. I'm trying to change to healthier health habits. I want to limit some things from my diet. I'm cutting dairy altogether. I'm also going to be cutting like fried foods and things like that. But in order to do that successfully, I had to go and get me some supplements. Yes, a girl needs her proteins and her refreshed tea blends and things like that. So I went on TEAMI's website about 3 a.m. one night and I saw some really cool stuff, so I ordered some things and I want to show them to you really quickly. I ordered these stuff in January, about January 29th, and they arrived here today. Yes, so I'm super excited. I mean, if I was at home 2 days ago, I would have gotten it like 2 days ago. So it took like 21 to 23 days to get here in Japan from the United States. So yeah, that's cool. I like that the shipping is really fast. I'm just really excited and happy that I was able to get some of the really cool things like the wellness protein. I'm gonna open the box so that you guys can see all the goodies that I bought. I bought so many things. Of course, I did get a discount thanks to other persons who shared their discount code with me. If you want to save some money too, I'm gonna be leaving my personal discount code link down in the description below, so you can check that out so that you can save money when you go on TEAMI's website to purchase whatever you want to get. So I had the box on the floor, so here's the box, guys. Look at this. Yes, I'm super excited to get into this box. So let's just get into the box. I can't find my regular scissors, so I'm using this one. Really cute label. Yes. Whoa. My order summary. Let's just put this on the floor. This is what I want to get to first. This is the Mix It Teami smoothie maker. I am gonna have so much fun making smoothies with this. I cannot wait. Can eating healthy get any easier than this? Come on, guys. This is like, oh. On the go tumbler. I got this in white, BPA-free plastic lining, storage compartment. Okay, let's get to the next thing. One of the things that I really take pride in is washing my smoothie cups really well. So I got this TEAMI cleaning brush. It's a silicone bottle brush, so this will be able to clean the smoothie maker and my plastic tumbler really well. We have our brush cleaner, our TEAMI Mix It smoothie maker, our tumbler, the white. Yes. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so this is the wellness protein powder made with organic protein. Yes, I really have high hopes for this and I can't wait to try it. And the last thing, guys, all right, this is the Greens Superfood blend. So there you have it. This is all I got so far from TEAMI. Look at that. Got the silicone brush to clean our smoothie maker and our tumbler. This is the TEAMI Mix It smoothie maker. Yes, I can't wait to try that. This is our tumbler right here in white, and this is our wellness protein. I am super excited to try the wellness protein because it is vanilla. I was really excited about that, so that's why I actually got this one. It has 17 plant-based protein. It's non-GMO, non-dairy, soy-free. It also has no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners, and that is truly amazing with 2 key ingredients, pea protein and rice protein. And that is one of the main reasons why I can't wait to try this wellness protein in the vanilla. The TEAMI Green Superfood Blend is also an amazing buy because it has 16 superfood ingredients blended with matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass. I was really excited about this because I have some wheatgrass at home that I haven't even started using yet, but I'm really looking forward to the TEAMI blends because it's already blended with 16 other superfoods. It is vegan, non-GMO, non-dairy, soy-free. It has no artificial flavors, coloring, or chemicals in it. It is 100% plant-based, and I really love that. The Teami Refresh tea is hand selected with mint leaves that are supposed to help you to relax and to improve your energy, boost your overall relaxation, and gives you a cool, calming effect. It also has dried mangoes, which adds to the sweetness of the tea, and rosebuds, which helps with your immune system. So this is one of the good tea blends. I am definitely dying to try this. I can't wait to open it tomorrow. I didn't go to the store, so I do not have any fresh bananas here in the house. I'm just gonna use what I have. I have some frozen fruits, raspberries, strawberries, and mangoes that are frozen. I'm gonna use those. Let's jump right into it. One full scoop. I'm gonna add some oats because I like oats. Not a lot, just a tablespoon. This is non-dairy almond milk. And I'm gonna add some cinnamon. The smoothie blender comes with a charger, so you can recharge it if anything happens. It does go for 30 seconds, so let's see what we have here. After 30 seconds, it seemed pretty blended, so I'm just gonna try it now. After 30 seconds, we have our smoothie ready, so let's try it. It's good. Real good. There you have it. Today I tried the wellness protein from Teami in the vanilla. It's really good. You guys should check them out. The smoothie is actually good, and that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I love the protein powder that I bought, and I am gonna have fun drinking all of this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, see you guys. Bye.